How to invite friends on Temu app. Hi guys, so in this video, I'll teach you how to invite friends on Temu app. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the first thing you need to do is install Temu on your app. Or just in here, just scroll and find Temu on your phone. And then as you can see right here, if you click on this right here on the you can see that there's no share code or any share link that you can do. So what you need to do if you want to invite friends to Temu app, all you need to do is head over to your Play Store and App Store, and for example here is Play Store. So just click on the three dots up here, click on share right here, and just copy this link right here and share this to friends that you want to invite to Temu. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to invite friends on Temu app. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.